Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear educarians. I hope you all will be fine. I'm here with the fourth online lesson of class 7th Social Studies. Our today's topic is Unit number 3, Chapter number 1. Okay, students, before starting the lesson, the material required is lead pencil, highlighter, ruler, blue pen, blue marker. Today, you need your geography textbook, that is Social Studies, Our World and Beyond, along with your Social Studies notebook, and you also need your winter pack that has been provided by the educators. The topic we are going to discuss is Unit number 3, Weather and Climate. In this unit, we will discuss chapter number 1, composition of atmosphere, कि हमारा जो माहौल है वो किन चीजों पर मुश्तमिल है, किन चीजों से मिलकर बना हुआ है. So, the contents for today's video is composition of atmosphere, layers of atmosphere, then we will talk about the troposphere, then at the end we will do our notebook work. Students, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand about composition of atmosphere, layers of atmosphere and troposphere. Okay students, now all of you open your geography textbooks at page number 54. Take out your lead pencils and prepare your page. Write down today's task. Mention the day and date, as we are going to read unit number 3, chapter number 1, that is composition of atmosphere. And atmosphere is a layer of gases. What is atmosphere? जो atmosphere है वो layer of gases है. Gases की जो है वो तह है surrounding a planet or some other heavenly body that is held in place by the gravity of the planet. मतलब ये gravity की वजह से जो अपनी position पे stable है. ऐसा नहीं है कि like I am standing on the earth, you all are living on the earth, and atmosphere is like a blanket for us, जिसने हम सबको पूरे earth को cover किया हुआ है. So all of you highlight these points on page number 54. Okay, next we will talk Earth's atmosphere consists mostly of the gas nitrogen, along with few other gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide and other gases in small amounts. As we studied that atmosphere is a layer of gases. अब इसमें कौन सी gases शामिल हैं? There is nitrogen, then oxygen and carbon dioxide and some other gases in small amount. Our Earth's atmosphere is clearly dominated by nitrogen, which is about 78%. अब सबसे ज़्यादा जो atmosphere में जो सबसे ज़्यादा गैस शामिल है, that is nitrogen, and which is about 78%. Followed by oxygen, which is about 21%. इसके बाद जो है oxygen 21% शामिल है, and only 1% of a third gas known as argon. और जो 1% है उसमें argon, carbon dioxide, and some other gases, they all are involved. So all of you highlight these points on page number 54. Okay, next there is Allah has kept this wonderful balance of gases in Earth's atmosphere for all living things to survive on Earth. अल्लाह ताला ने ज़मीन का जो माहौल है उसके अंदर इतने अच्छे तरीके से इन गैसेस को रखा हुआ कि जितने भी लिविंग थिंग्स हैं उनको जिंदा रहने के लिए इन गैसेस की ज़रूरत है. Every living thing and every organism gets the combination of gases it needs for its survival and well-being. मतलब हर ऑर्गेनिज्म और हर जानदार चीज को जो से भी गैस, जो भी कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ गैसेस चाहिए, अल्लाह ताला जो है उसे प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं फॉर देयर सर्वाइवल. As we know, oxygen is used by us and most other organisms for respiration. As there is a process of respiration in human beings, we intake oxygen, हम ऑक्सीजन को अंदर ले जाते हैं, and we exhale carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide is used by the plants. They take in carbon dioxide and they in return provide us oxygen that is used by human beings. Plants, algae and other vegetation also need carbon dioxide for making their food, which is called photosynthesis. So in the same way, in plants the process is called photosynthesis, and in humans the process is called respiration. All of you highlight these points on page number 54. Okay, next, the atmosphere also helps protect living organisms from genetic and physical damage like skin cancer caused by solar ultraviolet radiations, solar wind and cosmic rays. जो एटमॉस्फेयर है वो हमें किस तरह से प्रोटेक्ट करता है लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को? दे प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम जेनेटिक एंड फिजिकल डैमेज लाइक स्किन कैंसर. दीज सोलर अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशंस directly they can affect our skin, they can damage the skin, they can cause harm to our eyes. So this atmosphere is like a blanket for us कि हमें direct solar radiation से बचाता है. Solar wind and cosmic rays. Cosmic rays are the rays from the space जो direct हमारे तक नहीं आती, उनके बीच में क्या आ जाता है? Atmosphere आ जाता है. So in this way atmosphere protect living organisms. So all of you highlight these important points on page number 54. Okay, next we will read about layers of atmosphere. The atmosphere of Earth consists of a number of layers which differ in properties such as composition, pressure and temperature. The five main layers are, अब जो हमारा अर्थ को जिसने कवर किया हुआ है वो है एटमॉस्फेयर. अब एटमॉस्फेयर किससे मिलकर बना होता है? फाइव मेन लेयर्स हैं. दैट दे आर सेइंग कि उस पांच लेयर्स में जो है उनकी हर लेयर में प्रॉपर्टीज डिफरेंट हैं, कंपोजिशन इज डिफरेंट, प्रेशर इज डिफरेंट, टेम्परेचर इज ऑब्वियसली डिफरेंट. The five main layers are: number one, exosphere, that ranges from 700 to 10,000 kilometers. Number two, thermosphere, that is from 80 to 700 kilometers. Number three, mesosphere, that is 50 to 80 kilometers. And number four, stratosphere, that is 12 to 50 kilometers. Number five, troposphere, that is 0 to 12 kilometers. अब जो troposphere है, that is the very first layer on the earth. like right now I am standing on earth. ठीक है, मेरे जब मैं ऊपर कर रही हूँ फेस, आसमान को देख रही हूँ, the very first layer that I can see is troposphere, that ranges from 0 to 12 kilometers. That is just the average quantity of that. उसके बाद क्या आती है? स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर आती है, देन मेसोस्फीयर आती है, देन थर्मोस्फीयर एंड द एंडिंग लेयर इज एक्सोस्फीयर, जिसमें सारा क्या होता है? स्पेस रिलेटेड चीजें होती हैं, जिसको अभी जो है साइंटिस्ट एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, वहां जाते हैं, पहुंचते हैं. सो दैट ऑल ऑफ यू highlight these points on page number 54. Okay, now come to page number 55. Before giving you details of the layers, here you can see they have given you one figure. उन्होंने आप लोगों को सारी एक शॉर्ट समरी बता दी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी डिस्कस दिस. देयर इज ट्रोपोस्फियर, जो सबसे पहले मैंने आप लोगों को बताया, जैसे यहाँ पे आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि एक उन्होंने सीन क्रिएट किया हुआ, ठीक है, जिसमें सी लेवल है, देन देयर आर माउंटेन्स, देयर आर ट्रीज एंड जस्ट सपोज यू आर स्टैंडिंग एट दिस पोजीशन. तो आप लोग की जो पहली लेयर है दैट इज ट्रोपोस्फियर. अब उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट लेयर स्टार्ट होने लगी, यू कैन सी द फर्स्ट वन इज स्काई ब्लू, देन देयर कम्स अ पर्पल शेड और अ ब्लू शेड. तो अब इसके बाद क्या, नेक्स्ट लेयर जब स्टार्ट हो रही तो वो वहां पे क्या उन्होंने बताया? ट्रोपोपोज, कि एक पोज आ गया, ठीक है. उसके फौरन बाद हमारे पास स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर है. स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर के बाद एक पोज आके देन मेसोस्फीयर, मेसोस्फीयर के बाद पोज आके थर्मोस्फीयर एंड देन द आउटर लेयर दैट इज द एक्सोस्फीयर. Okay, now we will discuss troposphere. As you can see in the above diagram, the first layer that we encounter living on Earth is the lowest layer of the atmosphere called the troposphere. मतलब atmosphere में वो सबसे नीचे वाला हिस्सा आ जाएगा. But right now, if we are standing on the Earth, तो हमारे ऊपर वाली जो layer है, बिल्कुल हमें जो नजर आ रही, that is the troposphere, which extends from the surface of the Earth to the bottom of the stratosphere. तो जो ट्रोपोस्फीयर के फौरन बाद जो है वो स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर स्टार्ट हो जाती है. तो ऑब्वियसली इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ टू द बॉटम ऑफ द स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर. 3/4 of the atmosphere's mass resides within the troposphere. क्या है इसका मतलब? As we read that there are how many gases are in atmosphere? Those are 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% all other gases. So 3/4 of the atmosphere's mass resides within the troposphere. Troposphere के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा जो है वो gases शामिल हैं. And is the layer within which the Earth's weather develops. जो troposphere है, जो हमारे पास very first layer है, ठीक है, उसके अंदर क्या होता है, क्या चेंजिंग्स आती हैं कि इसी के अंदर जो है वो वेदर डेवलप भी होता है, लाइक चेंजेस ऑफ क्लाइमेट, चेंजेस ऑफ वेदर, देन रेन, hail, everything that occurs regarding weather that comes in troposphere. The depth of this layer varies between 17 km at the equator to 7 km at the poles. So all of you highlight these points on page number 55 of your books. Okay students, now all of you open your winter packs. At page number 14, we are going to read unit number 3, chapter number 1, composition of atmospheres, question answers. Question number 1, what is atmosphere? The answer is an atmosphere, meaning vapor, is a layer of gases surrounding a planet or some other heavenly body that is held in place by the gravity of the planet. मतलब ये atmosphere का जो meaning है that is vapor, ठीक है. उसके बाद क्या होता है कि ये इसमें जो है वो gases शामिल हैं, like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other also some gases. And they are saying that is held in place by the gravity of the planet. कि इसके अंदर इतनी कशिश है कि ये अपनी जगह पे खड़ी हुई है. ऐसा तो नहीं कि एटमॉस्फेयर नीचे गिर रहा है, No. So this is the atmosphere that has gases in it, and it consists of all nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases. Question number 2. Write down the names of major gases of atmosphere and their percentage. As we read in the lesson, the name of major gases of atmosphere are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and some other gases are in small amount. The percentage is nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21%, and other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, helium, water vapors. These all are the gases and the water vapors. They are 1% in the atmosphere. Next, we have question number 3. Why oxygen is important for living things? The answer is oxygen is used by humans and most other organisms for respiration. As oxygen is the living component for living for living things, so that is used by humans and most other organisms for respiration process. Question number 4. How atmosphere helps to protect the living things on Earth? The answer is the atmosphere also helps to protect living things from genetic and physical damage like skin cancer caused by the solar ultraviolet radiations, solar wind and cosmic rays. Means the atmosphere जो है that is like a blanket for us जो हमें direct radiation से बचा लेता है. Okay students, all of you open your social studies notebooks and prepare your index. Our today's index is unit number 3, chapter number 1, composition of atmosphere question answers. We will rewrite first 4 question answers on notebook today. So before starting the new lesson, we have to prepare our title page. So all of you prepare your title page with the marker. Unit number 3, weather and climate. Chapter number 1, we are discussing composition of atmosphere. In this, we have done reading. We will do words meaning, question answers, and then the worksheet. Okay, now we will make timeline page, composition of atmosphere, and we will study about layers of atmosphere in this chapter. On the very next page, prepare your page, write down day, mention date, today's task, your topic, that is unit number 3, chapter number 1, composition of atmosphere. We will do words meanings. So all of you draw 2 lines in the middle of the page. Write down words, English meaning and Urdu meaning. So let's start. The very first is atmosphere. Layers of gases that surround the earth. माहौल जिसे कहते हैं. Gravity, attraction, kashish. Dominated, have power and influence over. गलबा पा जाना, गालिब आ जाना. Composition, the nature of constituents. जिन चीजों से मिलकर जो है वो एटमॉस्फेयर बना हुआ लाइक मुरक्कब. ट्रोपोस्फियर, द लोएस्ट रीजन ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर, जमीन की फिजा का ज़ेरी हिस्सा. So all of you write down in a very neat handwriting. Okay, now come to next one page. After writing your words meanings, you will prepare your next one page. Write down day, date, topic, your composition of atmosphere. Give heading of question answers. Now we will rewrite the question answers by taking help from Winterpack. The question number 1 is what is atmosphere? You will rewrite its answer from the Winterpack page number 14, and in the same way you will rewrite question number 2. Write down the names of major gases of atmosphere and their percentage from the Winterpack page number 14 on your notebooks in a very neat handwriting. Now coming to next one page, mention prepare your page, write down topic. Question answer, we will do question number 3, why oxygen is important for living things. So you have to rewrite this one answer from your Winterpack page number 14, and in the same way you will rewrite question number 4, how atmosphere helps to protect the living things on earth from Winterpack on your notebooks. That's all for today, and write it in a very neat handwriting and do not make any spelling mistake. Okay, now is the time for task to do. What you have to learn highlighted points and words meanings of page number 54 and 55. Then you will learn question answers number 1 till 4 of unit number 3, chapter number 1. That's all. Okay, now is the time for good manners. Today we will discuss table manners. Okay, what are good table manners? You must wash your hands before eating. Place napkin in your lap. Stay at the table until finished. Chew with your mouth closed. That is very important. Wipe your mouth with a napkin. Clean your spot at the table. Before leaving the table, clean your spot. So it shows that how much well-mannered you all are. Okay students, I hope everybody understood today's lesson. Till the next lesson, take a great care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.